Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn for Fun. What's up guys? I'm your host Sylvia. So today I'm gonna be making this super easy, super healthy, no oil bell pepper rings, and it's not deep fried, it's gonna be air fried in my air fryer. So let's get started. For this I've taken different colored bell peppers and then I've cut them in rings in about less than a ½ inch thickness, like so. We'll also need about ½ cup of all-purpose flour, ½ cup of panko breadcrumbs, and I've taken 2 beaten eggs, some garlic powder, paprika or chili powder, and salt as per taste. Now let's just first add the garlic powder, the paprika and salt to our breadcrumbs. Give it a mix. Now let's first start by dipping the bell pepper rings in the flour, then in the egg, and then lastly coat it with the breadcrumbs. Similarly do all the rings and keep them ready. So I have coated all the bell pepper rings and they are ready to go in the air fryer. Preheat the air fryer on 400 for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to just spray the tray so that the rings don't stick, and then I'm going to transfer the rings in the tray. Like so. Now let's set the air fryer on 400 for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's just flip the rings over and cook it from the other side for another 5 minutes. Spray a little bit of oil after you flip. This is optional. Flip and cook it for another 5 minutes on 400. And ta-da! Our super crispy air fried bell pepper rings are ready, and that too with zero to very little oil. So I just hope that you like this recipe. I'm gonna try one now. It's actually very crispy on the outside and warm and moist in the inside. It's very yummy. You should definitely give it a try. So I just hope that you like this super easy recipe, and that too so healthy. It makes for a very good snack or appetizers, or if you have any guests over, you can just make these in 10 minutes. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thanks again for watching and supporting my channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy cooking.